guys, welcome to our vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. Really? I thought I was the only one in the family who likes it. I do say the word ceremony.
Ay, sa si Dada. Pupunta kami sa school ni Zion.
I remember you guys were talking about this a few days back and about.
Hello. Good afternoon. Friday. And ay na. Papunta kami sa waterway for dinner at saka titingin din kami kung meron kaming mahanap na shoes nila kasi medyo tight na yung school shoes nila. Yan, say hi ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nila. Naglilista sila or nagdodraw sila ng something. And there is Baba. Hello Baba. Yan. Let's go to waterway. Actually nahihilo ako as in kanina pa. Hilong-hilo ako kanina. Itinulog ko pa. Hindi ko alam kung dahil araw ng dalaw ko ngayon or ano. Yeah. Hopefully in a while siya. I feel better. Okay, so
Singapore Institute of Technology.
Since we have a car, we decided to drive through dito sa bagong open na Ponggol Coast. Kaso nasa tayo, wait lang.
Oh yeah.
Ponggol Digital District.
Yeah.
This is the first step.
This is the first ever.
Ayan, ito yung bago.
Ponggol Digital
They say the MRT is very good.
Mama, we're in the
Very
Ponggol
nice.
We're in the Ponggol Digital District, are we?
Yes. One day we will take the train to go to the here in SIT.
We're in the Ponggol
Maybe one day you will also study here. It's so near Zion.
District.
What do you think?
Wow, look at that bridge connected to our house.
No, that's the university.
Oh, that's the thing I saw in the background of the photo.
Yeah.
Oh. I like all these bridges. I like how we're just traveling inside of
Oh,
the
look, the
university
Singapore
guys.
Institute of Technology.
Yes, correct.
That's the station.
Sit. This is the train station. So when you come out here, you can just go straight to sit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Put in this.
Mama, that's
The houses here lucky, they get the up their
In
prices.
the Singapore Institute.
Is it okay? Walk. Okay?
How do you feel?
Seriously, this boy. Okay, nandito ako ngayon sa dating school ni Zion. Ayan. Natin ako ng CPR course. Medyo ninenervyos ako. Pero carry yan. May na isa na dito na nag-aantay. So let's see. Medyo maaga pa yun.
What is that kind?
You can use any kind book.
Even the bag strap.
You can see, let me see the length of it. Hi! Ayan, nasa bahay na ako. Tapos na yung course and pasado. Pero wala naman yatang wala naman atang bumapagsak doon, no, Dada? So, yun, meron silang pa-lunch na nasilamak. Pero hindi ako makakain kanina kasi ninenervyos ako. Wait na ninenervyos ako. So, inuwi ko na lang. Ang dami namin nag-uwi. And then, meron silang pag-goodie bags. Yung goodie bags nila is too big. this first aid kit na maliit and sa Chinese New Year goodies. Peanut brittle.
Oh, I want to see.
And I have something for you, Ezra Boom Boom. I know you like to see this. This is what Mommy learned. You can open and see how to save people's lives when they are having heart attack.
What's that?
Yan sila ma. So,
Why does it say handmade puffs?
so
Oh,
ayun.
TikTok is the brand that makes they're famous
Kaya-
because of their handmade.
Bumili pala ako ng tea. And yan, just nice. Akala namin until 6, right? But hindi namin masyadong nagamit yung dalawang 15-minute break at saka yung 4 to 5 minutes na lunch. So mabilis lang yung yung the whole class. And ang tawag doon, just nice, naka-standby din si Dwayne kasi discharge yung daddy niya sa hospital kasi na-admit siya. Dad get admitted yesterday, is it?
Yes.
Yeah. And that said he will be discharged today.
What
But
is
it's
discharge?
not confirmed by the doctor. He just want to go home. So
Why?
let's see and wait for the call.
I forgot
Kain
it.
tayo.
Just now remember I mentioned the big area. So your feeling is right. Your feeling, you're looking between your body come down. This is the exterior one. Yes. But you see, as you can see, the exterior already growing out. So this is a
But they need to know what else it's doing. You are gonna be wearing.
Do you like my new specs? You don't like it?
I want to say I like it. So I'll put this.
Ready for
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye!